Welcome to Halong Bay, Vietnam, one of the new 7 natural wonders of the world. With emerald waters and thousands of limestone islands, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is a true masterpiece of nature. In this video, we'll take you on a full journey through Halong Bay and show you why it should be at the very top of your travel bucket list. Halong Bay is located in the north of Vietnam, about 100 miles from the capital city, Hanoi. Just a 3-hour drive will take you from the busy streets of Hanoi to this peaceful paradise. The bay is home to more than 1.600 limestone islands, each rising dramatically from the sea, creating one of the most unique seascapes in the world. It's no surprise that Halong Bay attracts millions of visitors every year. The number one thing to do in Halong Bay is a cruise. You can take a day trip, or better yet, spend a night on the water aboard a luxury boat. Imagine waking up surrounded by misty islands, with nothing but the sound of the waves. For adventure lovers, kayaking is a must. Paddling through hidden lagoons and caves gives you a closer look at this natural wonder. Halong Bay is also famous for its caves, like Sung Sot Cave, known as the Surprise Cave, and Thien Kung Cave, the Heavenly Palace. Each one feels like stepping into a different world. And of course, watching the sunset over the bay is simply unforgettable. Halong Bay is not just about scenery, it's also about taste. The seafood here is fresh and delicious. From grilled prawns and steamed crab to Halong's famous squid cakes, every meal is a treat. Many cruises offer cooking classes or seafood BBQs right on the boat. It's the perfect way to enjoy local culture while surrounded by incredible views. If you're visiting from the US, here are some quick travel tips. The best time to visit Halong Bay is from October to April, when the weather is cooler and skies are clear. A 2-day, 1-night cruise is the best option if you want to truly experience the bay. It gives you enough time to relax, explore caves, kayak, and enjoy both sunrise and sunset. And the good news? It's surprisingly affordable compared to many other destinations in Asia. For a once-in-a-lifetime experience, take a seaplane ride over Halong Bay. Seeing the emerald waters and limestone islands from above is simply breathtaking. Another hidden gem is the floating fishing villages, like Cua Van. Here, families have lived on the water for generations. Visiting gives you a rare glimpse into a traditional way of life that's disappearing in many parts of the world. Halong Bay is more than just a destination, it's a dream come true. From luxury cruises and thrilling adventures to mouth-watering food and local culture, it has everything a traveler could want. So, if Vietnam is on your travel list, make sure Halong Bay is your number 1 stop. Thank you for joining this journey. Don't forget to like, share, And subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel guides across Asia. See you in the next adventure.